Teams meetings often chaotic? You're not alone. Teams has built-in features to help you take control. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills. Today we'll cover Teams live transcripts and quick polls for meetings, channels, and chats, as well as noise suppression. Those are easy ways to make meetings better. Keep everyone focused, stop distractions, and make sure things get done. This helps everyone share their ideas and reach your goals. Transcript keep everyone aligned. Accents, noise, multitasking, no problem. For the most precise and reliable results, be sure to specify the language you are speaking. Let's start the live transcript so you've got searchable notes later. After the call, go to Recap to search, copy, or download the transcript. If I start live transcription, Teams saves it to the meeting recap in OneDrive/SharePoint. Then I can download it if I want a local copy. To maintain efficiency, decide issues with a quick vote and promptly proceed to the next agenda item, avoiding lengthy and unproductive debates. Get your polls ready in advance, or whip them up during the call with our polls feature. By going to Apps, Polls, Create New Poll, you have the opportunity to ask your question now. When considering your question, you have a choice regarding how many questions you would like to ask. You can choose to ask a single question, or you can choose to ask multiple questions. I only added two options now. Votes appear instantly, and results are saved in the meeting chat. Quickly create and post polls in channels or chats when not in meetings. Participants can vote inline or via email. Finally, background noise kills focus. Let's clean it up fast. To ensure optimal audio clarity, navigate to the microphone settings and enable the noise suppression feature. This will help eliminate distractions and improve the overall listening experience. If you are already in a call, you can go to Device Audio Settings to change microphone settings. Here's the keyboard noise, a distracting sound that can interfere with focus and clarity. But now, with the remarkable application of noise suppression technology, that unwanted sound is completely gone, eliminated from the audio entirely. Empower your team, streamline every discussion, and revolutionize your virtual workspace. See how each of these features boosts collaboration, transforming your regular meetings into wins. If you found this video helpful, please comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.